So I'm going to show you how to do a color change. So the first thing you want to do is click on your model and go to the body, and you want to find the material. So this is done with Pyomi. So you select the material, up to the top, go to colors and normals, go to color adjust, and it'll probably toggle off for you. But you just want to toggle it on, and this will also be toggle off for you. Turn it on, and right next to Hue Shift, there'll be like a double arrow that'll appear. You right click, hit animated when locked, then lock the material. And once that's locked, then you duplicate your model, go to animation, this window here, you might have it on here, but it's right there. Hit create, call out color change 2. I'm gonna call it number 2 because I already did it on one. So you hit record, then click your avatar, and you might have clicked body, but you go to your material then on the right, and under here you drag it a little to the right, then back to the left, then go to frame. So you scroll by going, when your mouse is on here, go to like frame 5 and move it all the way to the right. And that is your animation done. And next you want to find your FX controller, which is right there. Go to parameters, hit plus, go down to float, call it color change. I can spell, I swear. Go back to layers, hit a new layer. We'll call that color change as well. And I still can't spell, apparently. You want to make sure this is always set to 1. Then you drag in your color change, which this one it was. So drag it in here, then click on it. And up here on the right, you want to go to motion time, hit the check mark, and make sure it is set to the float we just made. Then your parameters on your avatar, which you can do just by finding it just like that, into plus, make sure it's a float, and you can always copy, because it's case sensitive, and you can paste it in there like so. And on your menu, you will find doing the same way, like so. Hit plus, color change, and then make sure it is on radial puppet. Make sure this is none, and this one is on your float that you just made. And then we can test it out in play mode with gesture manager, color change, and there we go. 100% produce, just like that. Boop. Any questions? Let me know, and thanks for watching. Peace.